Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can apply the two-step verification in Telegram X. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram X app on your mobile. Then on the top left corner, you can see the 3-bar icon or the hamburger menu. You tap on it, tap on settings, then scroll down until you see privacy and security. Tap on it. Then you can see the two-step verification on the third of the list in security. Tap on it. Then go ahead and tap on set additional password. Then you enter your password. After that, you enter your email. You can also skip this part. As you can see, I've been notified by Telegram that my two-step verification has been enabled. So every time I log into Telegram X with a new device, I'll have to enter the password that I've set just now and the code that will be sent in my SMS. And this will help make your Telegram X more secure. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching.